Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I have some exciting news to share with you, but before we go there, what do you think all these items have in common? Battery powered lawnmower, wildlife trail camera, battery powered chainsaw, automatic seedling starter kit, pelleted chicken manure, horticultural grit. I'll tell you what they've got in common in a moment. The exciting news is, in November last year, I set up a club and it's off YouTube. I want to tell you why I set up a club, why it's off YouTube, and what you get if you decide to join up. Then I'll tell you what all these items have in common, because it's the final piece of the jigsaw. So I set up a club in November last year. I've been creating content on YouTube for nearly 5 years and I'm nearly up to 40,000 subscribers. In the back of my mind, it's always been a thought that YouTube could change the goalposts at any minute. Now, I'm not saying they will, and I have no indication that they're going to, but they do hold all the cards, and I've built something of value, which I love, on YouTube, and I want to protect it. So I want to embed that value that is there on my YouTube channel in something which is off YouTube. I don't want to just embed the value for me. I want to create and deliver something which is of real value for club members. And I think since November, we have done just that. And you'll find out what you get if you join in just a moment. Now, YouTube have been telling me this thing about memberships. I can set up memberships on my YouTube channel where I charge people like you, the viewer, to get exclusive or early access to my content. So this club is like an alternative to YouTube memberships, but I own it, and I believe I'm giving much better value. Every month I'm offered products to review. I now ask for two, one for me and one to give away to a club member in my monthly prize draw. That's what all these things have in common, because these have either been prizes or are about to be prizes in my monthly prize draw. So what do you get if you join my club? Well, you get a monthly newsletter. That's either a PDF that you can read on your computer or print out and read at your leisure. But I also do that newsletter in video format. So you can sit there in bed at night and watch me deliver my YouTube newsletter. You also get exclusive content. In the middle of the month, I do a video called the mid-month drop, which is a kind of behind the scenes look, and it's exclusive for members' eyes only. The third thing you get if you join my club is the monthly prize draw, the giveaway gift bundle. All the things that I get given, I give away. And the exciting news is that lawnmower is the next prize. These things have already been given away, but that lawnmower is the next prize. And if you join my club before close of play today, the 25th of August, you will be in the prize draw on the 1st of September, and you might win this. Now, this is a battery powered cordless lawnmower, and this is the star prize for the September draw. I'm going to be really upfront with you. There is a fee for joining our club, and I believe we can justify that fee. If you think about it, there's all kinds of legal requirements, from having a database, starting up a limited company, and even things like posting out the prizes. So we have to get some money in. We can't run it at a loss. But we are delivering great value. If you think about it, the newsletter, the exclusive content, the prize draws, and going forwards, as the club grows and the database expands, we'll be able to go out there and negotiate product discounts and discount codes. Get on board. Head over to my website, markshousegarden.com. Join up, and if you do it before midnight tonight, you'll be in the draw for this on the 1st of September. If you don't do it today, go and have a look anyway, because there will always be another 12 months draws for you from whenever you sign up. Hope you've enjoyed that, found it interesting, entertaining, thought-provoking. Any questions you've got, drop them in the comments below this video, and I'll see you soon for some Mark's House and Garden UK club adventures. And incidentally, my normal content will continue. If you don't want to join up, don't worry. The normal content will continue on YouTube. Bye for now.